Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Python into your computer in a very simple way. How are you going to do it? First, you have to come over into your Google Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser, and then into the search option, you just need to search for Python download. After getting the suggestion over here, if you click on that, then you'll get a website from the python.org. So you just need to click on this website. After that, you will get this option over here called Download Python 3.13.1. So if you click on Download Python 3.131, you can see the download has been started and it will take some minutes to complete it. So keep patience on it. After completing the download, you just need to click on it 2 times and now minimize the browser. And then you will get the Python setup wizard over here. And from here, you just need to check these 2 options over here. So now what you can do after clicking on these 2 options, we just need to click on install now. If I click on that, there will be a permission, click yes. And now you can see the installation process is beginning. And you can see that the installation is completed. And here you can see there is a notification over here called disable path length limit. So if you click on that, click yes for the permission. And now it's okay. And you can see if you just click on close, and I think your Python is downloaded into your computer. If you come over into start icon, come over into the app sections, and from here you can find Python over here. You can see. Also, you can confirm it with a very simple way to come over into your search option and going to search for CMD and click on CMD open. And from here, if you type Python space dash call version, click enter, you will get the latest downloaded or installed Python version over here. So this is how you can download and install Python for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.